Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today I am going to review one Wi-Fi smart camera. This is double lens camera. Okay, just I ordered it from AliExpress before 1 week ago, and today I'm going to review this camera because I already fixed this in one workshop and just came here to give a review. First of all, this is very economically very cheap camera, around $25 US dollars. This is I think best price for home use Wi-Fi camera in the if you have low budget. Okay, what is the main advantage of this camera? This is 8 megapixel lens both and 4K video recording mode. There are two lens. One, this lens is fixed and this is movable with motion detection. Okay, second, we can insert memory card till 128 GB. I insert in this camera for 64 GB, but it can support till 128 GB. And there is real time notification you will get whenever who will come in front of camera. You will get real time notifications. And also, if I will move to the camera, you will see here it's fixed on that side. The down one is rotatable with motion detection. Okay, whenever I move this camera, suppose move towards the motion. Look, it's moving now. You can see it's moving towards me. I just moved. Okay, the above one lens is fixed and the down one is movable. If you can see, now I'm moving, it's moving towards me. Look, artificial AI system built in this camera, and in any time you get any movement in front of camera, you will get notification in your mobile application. And also in the night, anyone will come in front of camera, all lights start working right after in front of camera, if anyone will pass by or will move in front of the camera. So, and also one very important thing, there is a two-way communication. We can communicate with this camera through our smartphone. There's an application that we have to install for two-way communication, and we can store the video clips in our smartphone. So this is the box. What was inside the box, we'll see. uh, there is a wall mount, some screws, and this is for network cable protection, and this is for screw. Nothing, just I mounted it with the star screws, and we can fix it anywhere. And it came with power adapter 12 volt. This is a power adapter, 12 volt adapter. You can fix in the direct electricity 220 volt. And this camera actually I think is very useful for home or office or in the small area. You can connect with this camera with your Wi-Fi router. I already connect with this network cable for high efficiency of internet, but you can use it as a Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz connection you can use. So this camera is, I think you can get it from AliExpress. I will share the link in the description so you can buy it. This is a quick review about this camera, and I am very satisfied the progress of this cam. There are two lens, 4K video and 8 megapixel lens and 128 GB support, night vision, and everything you have. You must try this. If you have any question regarding this camera, you can ask down in the comments. Thank you for watching. All the best.